Hello.
Nice. Very number one champion. Good. I like you. Good. Very good. Very smarter. Very romantation. Very قلبي وناقصة. شكرا. Nice قلبي وناقصة.
He said very romantation. What is romantation?
Something.
What's something?
Romantation is something.
You want to do romantation with me? Under the table? Under the table?
Maybe.
Me on the table, you under the table.
David. Goodbye.
Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for the
how much kg?
Sweetie, you're a strong man. Okay?
No.
You're a strong man.
No, I'm already under the table.
Yes? Under the table? Me on the table?
Yeah.
Yes.
No to Maya? To Maya English in the table. Kiswahili. Kiswahili. Here. Name here Kiswahili. Matuta. How much matuta kg kilo?
It's not matota, it's matiti.
Yes. Matiti. Iyo matiti. Kilo ngapi?
Kilo ngapi? No. Don't worry, you handle them. Hey, matiti.
Watermelon is coming. Welcome, baby, watermelon.
Bro, han har 2500 inne. Hello?
I am very love you, watermelon, very chocolate, baby.
What?
I am very love you and my family and they love you.
You love me? I love you too.
I am love you 3.
How much?
3.
What 3?
3%.
What 3%?
Yeah, 3% love you. If you love me too, I am love you 3.
You love me 3%?
Yes. It's cancel this. Baby?
What?
The cancer leg.
No, I don't want.
Why?
I don't, because I sit very good like this.
Oh, you very good, very professional.
What?
Where you're from?
Eu swear o meu fattar não tá a sair. Huh?
Where from?
What do you think?
I am thinking you are Minnesota country, USA.
What?
You are USA people?
No.